Now, perimeter is simply the outside edge of a particular figure. Officially then, it's the distance traveled in moving once around the boundary. Now, for a circle, that perimeter is called the circumference. And it's got a special formula which you have seen before. It's pi, which is about 3.14 times the diameter. Let's get straight into a few problems, some easy ones first and then some more difficult ones. Easy one first. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? Well, if it's a rectangle, this side there must be equal there, so that's 6, that's 6, that's 4, that's 4. So it's going to be 2 lots of 4 and 2 lots of 6. And as we see, that equals 20 meters. Don't forget those units, because that is in units of meters. Then the answer must also be stated in meters. Let's go into problem 2, a little bit more difficult. Here we've got a circle with a radius of 3.5 centimeters. That means that the diameter is going to be 7 centimeters. So we multiply pi by 7. Pi, of course, you can get from the calculator. You should use the pi on the calculator rather than 3.14. Working that one out, it comes to 21.9911, and it goes on. We have to round, it says here, to 3 significant figures. So we want 1 decimal place, and it becomes 22.0 centimeters. Problem 3, we've got an interesting problem because not many people know that. We know that the equator is about 40,000 kilometers long. What is the radius of the Earth? In other words, if you want to dig from here to the center of the Earth, how far do you have to dig? We can work that out now using the formula. Here we go. We know that the circumference is pi times the diameter. We know that the circumference is 40,000. We can now work out what the diameter is by dividing 40,000 by pi. We get approximately 12,732. If you now halve that and round it correctly to 2 significant figures, you should get 6,400 kilometers. So that is the radius of the Earth, and that's how it is normally written, R with a little E at the bottom for Earth. In the last problem, we look at a so-called composite problem. Here we've got a trapezium. We can work out what the side there is by using Pythagoras, because if that's 3 meters, then that must be 3 meters. We've got that side as 4, so we know that the hypotenuse is 5, and then it's just a matter of adding 5 to 3 to 4 to 6 to get the perimeter as 18 meters. Careful again with those units.